are doing the work. Alright guys, so I'm still in Abuko, as you can see. This is how it looks now. Diversion. So vehicle will be diverting to the site. Alright guys, so guys, they are constructing another new road here in Abuko. So as you can see, this is how it is going. They are leveling the ground. Just take a look. They are leveling the ground. As you can see, the machines, they are doing the work. Just look at the machines, which are doing the work. This is what is going on here currently. road work here in Abuko, the Gambia, West Africa, new road project. Alright guys, so I'm walking towards Abuko. I think this other area is part of Abuko. This other area is part of Abuko. So guys, this is how it looks here, and then don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with friends and families. There's a truck coming on that direction, on my opposite direction, with some gravels. These are the people which are doing the work here. Alright guys, so those are firewoods for sale. There's a small market, like a community market. Most of the time people call them marsetayal. It means the market of lazy people. When you are lazy, because sometimes the big markets are far from here. So guys, I'll be ending the video here. This is where they have stopped yet, so I'll be ending the video here too. Alright guys, so I'll be ending the video here. As always, if this is your first time on this channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and families. I'm out. Peace. This is all what I have for you here in Abuko and some parts of Abuko. Yeah, I'm out. Peace. See you next time. Bye.